A lot of people think you need to spend months creating an online course, an ebook, or some kind of software before you can earn online. But the truth is, you don't. With affiliate marketing, you can earn by promoting other people's products. And with the ClickBank Super Funnel, you don't just promote. You plug into a complete business in a box. It's already set up with a high converting offers, including high ticket programs that are sold through automated webinars. The funnel captures leads, builds your email list, and follows up with persuasive pre-written email sequences that do the selling for you. That means you don't need to spend time creating products, dealing with customer support, or even writing endless emails. You just focus on driving traffic, and the funnel handles everything else 24/7. So if you want to earn commissions online without starting from scratch, this is your shortcut. Click the link below now to discover how the ClickBank Super Funnel can help you start earning today.